If you want to remove SIM card from Motorola Edge 70 Pro, all you have to do is you need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, because over here we can find our SIM tray with the SIM tray hole over here. So what you need to do is you need to take the SIM eject tool. You should be able to find yours inside the box, and then we need to put it into this SIM tray hole. So let's quickly do so. And then once it is in, you want to push the eject tool into the phone with a little bit of pressure so that the SIM tray slightly comes out, and then you should be able to use your fingernails or fingers to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And there we go. Now in order to remove the SIM card from the SIM tray, you can take a look at the reverse side. Over here you should be able to partially see your SIM, so you can just simply poke it from that other side. If you have trouble with that, you can always use the eject tool. You can just simply poke it from this side, there we go, in order to pop it out from the slot. And there we go. Then of course remember to put the SIM tray back into the phone, slide it all the way in, and make sure it does not stick out. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.